Welcome to this guided self-inquiry practice inspired by the teachings of Ramana Maharshi. During the next 10 minutes, we will explore the nature of the self through the humble yet meaningful approach of self-inquiry. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and bring your attention inwards. Begin by taking a few deep, slow breaths, allowing your body to relax with each exhale. Bring your awareness to the present moment, leaving behind any distractions or concerns of the outside world. Feel your body and mind gradually coming into a state of stillness and clarity. Now, gently introduce the question to your mind. Who am I? Repeat this question silently, allowing it to reverberate within you. Don't seek intellectual answers or conceptual explanations. Instead, be open and receptive, observing any thoughts, sensations, or emotions that arise in response to the question. Shift your attention to the sense of I, or me, that you typically identify with. Observe this sense of self without judgment or analysis. Notice its qualities, its limits, and any attachments or identifications it carries. Allow yourself to become deeply aware of this sense of I as it presents itself to you. Now, take a courageous step to inquire into the nature of this I. Who or what is the true essence behind this I? Is it a physical body, a collection of thoughts and memories, or something more fundamental? Without clinging to any particular answer, allow yourself to explore and dissolve the boundaries of this I. Remain in this open inquiry, allowing the question to guide you deeper into self-discovery. Finally, let go of the inquiry itself and simply rest in the spaciousness of pure awareness. Recognize that behind the concept of I lies an unchanging, ever-present awareness that transcends any personal identity. Rest in this awareness, feeling a sense of peace, clarity, and unity with all that is. Allow yourself to abide in this state for a few moments, experiencing the profound, deep freedom and stillness of your true nature. As this practice comes to an end, take a few gentle breaths, gradually reawakening your connection to the external world. Carry the insights and sense of spaciousness you experience during this practice into your daily life. Remember that the inquiry into the nature of the self can be an ongoing exploration, leading to deeper understanding and realization. Whenever you feel the need, return to this practice to reconnect with your true essence.